Now, the Jamaica Constabulary Force is defending its missing persons report and action policy. The stance comes amidst accusations from relatives of Shante Skyers, who claim the police told them she had to be missing for 24 hours. As TVJ's Herman Green now reports, the police are adamant that those claims are not true.
Amid the sadness following 8-year-old Shante Skyers' murder in Stirling Castle, St. Andrew, heated debate about the response time and the policy of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. It stems from this claim from Shante's father, Fabian Skyers.
Me personally, go link the police and tell me, say, no, they don't do nothing till 24 hours.
It again raised questions about the force's missing persons policy. The JCF forced to respond firstly on social media with a tweet rubbishing the claim, then head of the JCF's corporate communications unit, Delia Garrick, in person.
Yes, there is no 24 hours waiting period for someone to be missing, reported missing. If you know someone is missing or suspect them to be missing, we want to know. Inform the police immediately.
So what exactly happened between Thursday evening, when Shante was discovered missing, and Tuesday afternoon, when her body was found? DSP Garrick says it was Shante's grandmother who discovered that she did not come home from school.
At the time when she came, she gave the police Shante's full name. However, there was some other additional information that was pertinent that she wasn't able to produce on the spot. Neither did she have a photograph. The investigator reportedly asked if she has a current photograph of Shante, and she said yes. He asked if she could retrieve it and return to the station, and if she could do that quickly, she said yes, because she doesn't live very far from the station.
However, she says she did not return to the station with the photograph and information until 9 o'clock Friday morning.
Immediately following that, that information was sent to us here at CCU, and the police team that was on patrol duty went out with family members.
She says the patrol team searched Friday. A search team from the Red Hills Police searched on Saturday and Sunday along with community members. She says Monday's search was delayed as resources had to be diverted to deal with a roadblock mounted by residents. Monday's late search yielded no results.
A more intensified search was now planned to be executed the following morning, which is Tuesday morning. For this search, we had members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces K9 Division, member of the Jamaica Forces K9 Division, or colleagues from the JDF, the Caribbean Search Center. We had mobile reserve police drawn from all sections of Area 5 to participate in, and this search was led by Superintendent Clunies.
It was during this search that Shante's body was found, concealed in a garbage heap covered with rocks and bushes. While insisting that the proper protocol was followed in this case, DSP Garrick is reminding persons to take pictures and all medical and usual social activities of victims when filing missing reports. Herman Green, TVJ News.